Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the transmission. It's a WS. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the exchange. This one right here is a 6 mil. It looks like it's 6 mil. This car is from the Rust Belt, so it's a little bit. But what we want to do is we want to get over here and make sure that we can take the fill plug out first. So let's do that first, okay? Alright, I hope you can see it, but I removed two 10 mil bolts here to get this splash screen out of the way, because the fill bolt is right around there. I think there's another one back here. I might undo this one right here to get to this one right here. Let me come back. That last piece on the inside was held in by one of these clips. This is the one where you push in and it pretty much releases it, and then you push it back through like so. Oopsie. You push it back through. And then you can install it again. So we'll leave it there. And now you can see the plug for the fill is right there. So let's undo that. Alright, that was a 24 millimeter, and then I'm able to unscrew it just like that, and that's where we will fill with the new fluid. So let's go underneath and start draining. Alright, I put a 6 mil on here. I hope it works. And there's a lot of rust, so we're gonna see. Nope. No, that's not gonna work. Alright, let's try something else. I might have to clean out the hole first. Alright, this one looks like it's 6 Torx. No, not a 6 Torx. It's a T. What is it? T40? It fits pretty well. So let's see if that loosens it. Nope. Doesn't want to. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's on there nice and tight. Okay. There's the initial drain. And then we have another drain inside. I'm going in with another Allen, and we're going to take out that other. This is the one that checks the level, so I'm unscrewing that, so we should get the rest of the fluid out when we take this out. There we go. And that fluid is red, but still dark. That's it. And this is what we took out right here. Using an 8 millimeter. And we'll just let that all drain out. Alright, the fluid I'm using is this Innova, and the reason I got it was it says it's specifically made for WS automatic transmission. That's the specification. So, and the way I'm going to put it in is I'm going to use a weed or a chemical sprayer. I did this on a Honda and it worked pretty well, so I'm going to try it with this. The nozzle's fine. It gets the job done. So basically, we're just going to use this. I'm going to cut this to size, and then we'll fill the container with the fluid. This one has a nice pressure relief function on it, which then then you can just spin it to release the pressure, which is kind of nice. I like that feature. And we'll end up filling this with the fluid, and then the pump, and then we'll designate it just for this purpose. But what I need to do is I need to remove this nozzle here, because I don't need the nozzle, and we're going to then use the heat gun and bend it. And once I do that, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so let's assemble. All right, I'm using the heat gun. We'll get it hot. And then we will warm it up, and then we'll give it a bend. Just take your time. You don't want to pinch it. Alright, there you go. Just let it cool, because right now it's still flexible. I'll just hold it like that. Blow through it if you want to check. So I'll take the cap off here, you know, and then I can just blow through it. And I know that, you know, the fluid's going to flow through. And then what I'll do is I'll just nick it right here and cut it off. So we'll just let it get hard. And then that, all right, it's down to a trickle, so I'm putting the plug back in, and we just want to put it in just finger tight. We don't want to go cuckoo crazy. There we go. That's it. Now we can put the cap on it, and then we can fill it, run it, and then we will take the cap off, and at 200 degrees we'll see what happens as far as the overflow goes. All right. All right, I'm just going to pump it up now. And then we will start flowing it in. I got about 3 quarts of fluid in here right now. This is a 1 gallon. There we go. Now that's tight. Okay, so we'll get the air out, and then we'll start squirting in here. I hope you can see I'm going to take the wand that I made, and then we're going to put it right into the, and you can see the level going down. Well, I can see the level going down now. And this is, it'll take a little bit, but at least you can measure. And there's hardly any mess this way. And if you need a little more air pressure, just go ahead and pump the pump again. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just fill it. And then let's put the cap back on it. We'll put the bolt back on, and then we will warm it up, and then we'll see what happens. And when we go take the plug back out again on the bottom to see where we are. Okay. Alright, I have the car running. I'm using my Innova 5610, and as you can tell, it does give me a transmission fluid temperature, and it's currently reading at 86, so I'll wait till it comes up, and then we will drain out the extra fluid as the engine is running. Alright guys, took the plug out, drained it out till it had a very low flow, retightened it, and that's it. So that's how you do a drain and fill on one of these sealed transmissions. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and take care. Bye now.